Hi, everybody. This is Hunter, man, back in another video. Today, I just want to talk to you guys about Happy Gilmore in 4K HDR. You guys see it's 4K HDR. This is in Dolby Vision as well, along with HDR10. So we're just gonna do a quick unboxing of this 4K HDR Happy Gilmore. I already opened it, watched it last night. By the way, this movie looks absolutely fantastic in 4K. It's definitely a huge upgrade over the Blu-ray. Just want to talk to you guys about that. Again, we're just gonna go ahead and open this up. So I'm kind of doing this one hand, guys. Kind of hard. I do this one hand. So here we go. These movies, however, do not come with any kind of These do not come with any kind of digital code. So again, these movies from Kino Lorber Studios do not come with a digital code. I'll show you the boxes set here. So here we are. That's what it looks like. Let me just see what time it's light. I'll show you guys this. So again, 4K HDR box set. Happy Gilmore, Kino Lorber Studios. So this is what the side. Sorry, it's because it's hard to see, guys. So this is what the side looks like. Kino Lorber Studios, Happy Gilmore, 4K HDR. Just want to show you guys that. And now I'm going to turn the light. I'll show you what the inside looks like. So again, no digital code. So again, this is what the disc looks like. Happy Gilmore, and this is in blue. Hard to see, guys. Damn it, so hard to see. Again, this is in Blu-ray. Kino Lorber Studios Classics Blu-ray. This is a 4K, guys. This is a 4K, guys. This what it looks like, the box art. Pretty cool. I'm trying to turn the light to show you guys, but the light's kind of hard to see through. Again, this is what the 4K looks like. Kino Lorber Studios Classics. Happy Gilmore. It's just showing light. And this is what the Blu-ray looks like, guys. The disc Blu-ray, pretty cool. Happy Gilmore Blu-ray. Kino Lorber. Okay, this is what the 4K looks like. So this is what the 4K looks like, guys. Pretty cool. 4K disc. It's pretty neat 4K disc, guys. I'll just show you guys this. And hope you guys do like, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. What are you guys' thoughts on this? Again, it is filmed in Dolby Vision and HDR10 DTS audio. But when you put the disc in, you see what upgrade DTS no X, guys. So you get no X with it. It's nice. And no Dolby Atmos or DTSX is disappointing. I mean, this does sound very loud in 4K HDR. It sounds like you're on DTSX, but a lot less boomy. Again, please do like, subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below what your thoughts are. What are your guys' thoughts on this? Again, out there, man. I'm out. Take care, guys.